Hello darlings, welcome back. Today I am doing something new and I'm going to be following a tutorial on YouTube and do my makeup. So I'm really excited for it and yeah. I don't want to take much of your time, talking in the starting like I've been doing lately. So, just go check it out. Okay, before we begin, a disclaimer. I'm using my phone to record this video, so I don't know how the quality will turn out. I'm really hoping for the best here. Oh, and by the way, see? So cute. Okay, so I'm all ready to begin. I'm following this tutorial. So I searched for some everyday makeup looks and I just found hers to be the most interesting and easy to follow somehow. So I'm going to do that. And she's kind of my vibe, So yes, that's also one of the reasons that maybe I connected with her so instantly. Okay, let's do it.
I'm gonna start off with the CoverGirl Skin Smoothing Primer. I'm just gonna take it on a brush like this one. This is by BH Cosmetics. I think that they have a set with brushes like this. It has really cool patterns. I'm gonna use it today to apply my primer.
Okay, I definitely don't have the products she uses, but I do have a primer. Well, my mom does, so I'm going to use that. Should I follow her exactly or should I just do things in my way? Because I've never used a brush to apply primer before. I'm going to use my fingers only. So, okay, I'm going to the movies with my girlfriends. I'm getting ready for that and I thought, why not follow a tutorial and film that? So, kind of like I'm doing a lot of things at the same time. So yes, that's what's happening here. And I'm all primed up.
Foundation, I'm gonna use the Hello Happy by Benefit. I like mixing the shade 1 with the shade number 2. That way I'm getting a color that it's more close to my skin tone. Shade number 1 has pink undertones, where shade number 2 has a little bit more yellow undertones. I'm gonna mix them on the back of my hand, and this is going on my face.
I'm using Maybelline FitMe foundation, shade 128. I'll use a brush. Beauty blenders and me don't get along. So the thing is that I went out to buy a new foundation when I went shopping for this. And what happened was that I was, testing the shades through testers, the small testers that they have, and I found my shade, but they didn't have a full-size version of it, and the testers were obviously not for sale enough. So I had to buy another shade that was the closest to my shade. So that's 128. It's not actually my exact shade, to be honest. And I totally forgot what number it was, and it's still not used completely, so I'm not getting rid of it anytime soon. Foundation's done. Oh, I just realized this is the first time I'm applying foundation on camera. Like before this, in all my videos, you have seen me foundation this. Every short, every long form, even the makeup one. I don't have a foundation on my face in any of those. So now you know how I look with foundation on.
Okay, I'm gonna set the hairs in place with some Benefit Brow Foam. Today I'm gonna use some of my current favorite product.
Okay, confession, I don't like touching my brows because, well, they're already dark and thick, and I like to leave them as it is. I don't like to touch them. There was this one time when my mother bought her first eyebrow product. It was a gel, and I used that on my eyebrows and I looked like a monster. My eyebrows, they were just so black And so after that I decided I'm not touching an eyebrow product ever again. What I do after applying foundation, to actually get it off my eyebrows, is either I'll just take a tissue and I'll just wipe it off, or I use this specifically to get rid of foundation on my eyebrows and at the same time brush my eyebrows. Yeah, it's by Huda Beauty, by the way. It's actually a contour brush, but I stopped doing contour after the first 3-4 times I stopped doing contour. It was just too much work. So yeah, so that's why I have no use of it. So I repurposed it as my eyebrow brush. So I'll just skip the eyebrows.
And before I move on to the eyeshadows, I'm just gonna use some face powder to set it. This is the Maybelline FitMe.
My 4-in-1 brush. I love this. Okay, where am I supposed to look? I'll just look here. I just realized I have a mirror in this. Before continuing, I have filmed one more video before this. If you saw my Instagram story where I had you all guess what I'm recording. But yeah, so I'm facing some difficulties in editing that one, so that's why this video will probably upload it before that one. Yeah. But I just wanted to be transparent as to what the actual order of filming was. By the way, there is my new addition, my new bookshelf. I've uploaded this video where I show each and every item in a more detailed way, so do go check it out. Give me your 2 minutes and you'll know all the context behind each and every item placed on my bookshelf. So yeah, go check it out. Okay, do it. Okay, let's move on.
The fluffy brush, this is the Morphe R39. I'm gonna take this shade here and I'll add that in my crease. This is going to be R39. I'm gonna take this shade here and I'll add.
So I think the closest. Once
and the
again.
fluffy brush, this is the Morphe R39. I'm gonna take.
I think this is the closest to that one. So I'm going to use this one. What is she doing?
This shade here and I'll add that in my crease. This is going to add definition to my eyes. It's like I'm contouring my eyes with this shade.
Mirror. Okay, so are my eyes contoured? Are they? Why do I rarely see any difference in my eyes, even after applying eyeshadows? I give up. Okay, next, what are we doing?
Liquid cloth. I'm gonna add it happening. Now let's.
This is definitely not shimmery, but this is the closest to what she is applying, so I'm going to take this one away. Mirror. By the way, I forgot to mention that, in my July reads, I mentioned that I recorded an unboxing video where I had shopped for like 14-15 items at once, and that too at a very good price. I forgot to mention that I couldn't upload that one because the file got corrupted before I even had the chance to edit it. So yes, that's why I didn't. I don't know how I skipped mentioning the reason. But yeah, now it's out there. That's why I did. So basically this eyeshadow palette, this brush, and a lot more products. They are all from that beauty haul. Okay, I don't have much time, so I'll keep the talking to a minimum.
Apply that crease color. I'm just gonna make sure that the shimmery shade that I just applied is very nice and blended. No harsh lines between the crease and the lid color.
God, I just realized I don't have much time left. I have to quicken up.
My goal now is to make a very thin winged eyeliner.
I am not, what am I not? I'm not qualified enough for that. That's not thin, by the way. And she used a liquid eyeliner. I'm using a brush pen eyeliner. So I'll go and I'll be right back with eyeliner on. That was like 1 second for you, but it actually took me 10 minutes. And this is what I have. Okay, this is the best thin eyeliner I could do.
Going back to the face, I'm taking this concealer here by Nabla. This is in the shade Ivory. It smells like...
I know I said this is a tutorial, like I'm following a tutorial, but yeah, concealer. I am a bit dicey about concealer.
I'm just gonna add that to the areas where I need some more coverage.
Okay, so I don't need any coverage because like I said in my first video, I like to be as natural as possible, and that includes leaving things uncovered. So yes, and besides, this is very natural texture, so I'm not going to use concealer. Shall I do contour? I don't have contour products, but maybe my mother has it. I'll go check it. Okay, so my mother does have it, but it's in it's powdered. Should I finally use this brush for what it is? Let's see. I really hope I don't regret this. I haven't contoured in like a long time. How do you even do that? How did you do that?
To take some of it on my sponge like this, and then I kind of squeeze the sponge like that.
Okay. This could go wrong very easily. So far it's good, but this can become disastrous if I do this wrong. Okay, you can do it, Anshika. Okay, I'm back. So does it make any difference? Yes, it does. But I already have cheekbones when I smile, so I just kind of followed its line. By the way, I accidentally touched my finger that had the product here, and now I have a spot. But hopefully blush will cover it up. I'm going to do this one on choose my own shade in this. And I'm probably overdoing it, but that's because I can't see the blush in my phone's camera. Anyway.
And to finish up the eyes, I'm gonna curl my lashes and coat them with some
apply some mascara.
want to use this lipstick here by Motives. It looks like a really nice color. But first, I'm gonna line my lips with the Jouer lip pencil in the shade Nude.
So next, nude lips. Obviously, my K-Beauty Poised lipstick. I don't use lip liners, so yeah, I skipped that. Okay, so makeup's done. Now I'll just quickly do my hair. Okay, so I'm all ready, and well, I hope you liked it. I definitely liked it. I enjoyed, following someone else. Like I said, I'm going out today, so I wanted to keep it very minimal and something natural. So that's why I opted for this look. But yeah, I definitely want to try out more exciting and challenging stuff in future. So do let me know how I look, and yeah, if you would like to see more videos like this. So my friend has reached. She was coming to pick me up, so I'll just go now. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and also press the bell icon next to it so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, do comment down below whatever you want to, how I'm looking, what you want to see next, whatever you wish to say to me, just do that. And you can also engage in the community page that I have. So yeah, I'll see you later. Bye. Anshika here, as in I just returned home, and so yes, this is my condition now. It was a day well spent. I mean, I enjoyed my time with my girls, and yeah, it was a good day. The movie was good, although something really unexpected happened, and I also did something for the first time. And if you want to know about all that, do let me know in the comments, and I'll think about making a video about it. So yes, till then, bye.